Mathematics 2, 2015 exam, question 8. Differentiate the following expressions with respect to x. Part A. This is a polynomial in x, so we can differentiate this term by term. And just to remind ourselves, the differential of x to the n is equal to nx to the n minus 1. Differentiating term by term, we're going to get 4 times 3 is 12, and then we'll reduce the 4 to 3. We're going to get 3 times minus 6 is minus 18, and we'll reduce the 3 to 2. We'll get 2 times 5 is 10, and we'll reduce the 2 to 1. This term just becomes 2. So our answer is 12x cubed minus 18x squared plus 10x minus 2. Part B. The first part is 5x cubed and the second part is sine 2x minus 5. So this is a product and we need to use the product rule. Here's the product rule. So dy dx equals u dv dx plus v du dx. We'll call 5x cubed u and we'll call sine 2x minus 5 v. So we'll get u times dv dx. So the differential of sine is cos, so it's going to be cos 2x minus 5, and then you have to differentiate the contents of the bracket because this is a function of a function. And the differential of 2x minus 5 is going to be 2. And then we've got the differential of 5x cubed, which is 15x squared, times sine 2x minus 5. Tidying this up a little bit, we can write 5x squared outside, 2 cos 2x minus 5 plus 3 sine 2x minus 5. Part C. We have another product. We'll let e to the ax equal u and cos 3x plus 2 equal v. So we have u times dv dx. Notice the 3 here, which is the differential of the bracket. And then we have a e to the ax times cos 3x plus 2. We can take an e to the ax outside the bracket. So we get e to the ax. I'll write the cos first because it's a positive quantity, and the sine 3 sine 3x second because that's a negative quantity. Part D. This time we've got a quotient. So let's remind ourselves of the quotient rule. Y equals u over v, and dy dx equals v du dx minus u dv dx over v squared. U equals sine 4x minus 3, v equals 5x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x plus 2. So we get v du dx, and don't forget to differentiate the contents of the bracket, which is where that extra 4 comes from, and then we're going to get minus u dv dx. That's going to be 15x squared plus 6x minus 4. The 2 will disappear, and then that's all over v squared. We can tidy this up a little bit, giving us the answer E. Again we have another quotient. Log 3x is u, x cubed is v. So we write v du dx minus u dv dx all over v squared. The 3's here will cancel. That x will cancel with one of those x's. And I've now got an x squared here and an x squared here. I'll take those outside a bracket. So I get x squared outside 1 minus 3 log 3x. That x squared will cancel with 2 of those, giving me 1 minus 3 log 3x over x to the 4th power. And that's the end of question 8.